Welcome back to Teresa's Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you the recipe for Kerala style rasam. The ingredients are 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 2 green chilies sliced, 1 piece of ginger crushed, 4 cloves of garlic crushed. The spices that we are going to use are half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or kayam, half teaspoon of crushed cumin and half teaspoon of fenugreek powder. We also need tamarind water, salt to taste and oil to cook. Also have some curry leaves to garnish the rasam. When the cooking pan is hot, add the oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seed starts popping, add the crushed ginger, garlic and the green chili. Give it a good mix. Now we can add the tomato. Give it a good mix and stir it until the tomato become a paste. Now that the tomato has turned into a paste, lower the flame and add all the spices. Turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, black pepper, asafoetida, crushed cumin and the fenugreek. The moisture in the tomato will prevent the spices from burning. Give it a good mix. Mix all the spices together. All the spices are mixed well. Now we can add some salt and add the tamarind water. Give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. Let it boil for a minute and we can turn the flame off. Check for salt and add more salt if you like. Now our rasam is ready. We can pour it into a serving dish and garnish with some curry leaves. You can have rasam with your rice or can even drink it as such after a heavy meal like biryani.